Today we're going to show you how to make fluffy Elmo's glue slime. But first, we're going to need a few things. Spatula, a bowl, baking soda, contact lens solution, fluffy glue, glitter, and most of all is school glue. Yep. The first thing we're going to do is take the school glue and pour it in. Ooh. Whoa. Keep adding more. Ooh.
Okay, we're done with that.
And just the lid.
Now we are going to add some fluffy Elmer's glue.
Then we're going to add some glitter.
Yes.
Hey, Blexley, did you know that glitter is actually made from plastic?
Yes.
Let's add it in.
Look at it go.
Whoop, that's a little too much, I think.
Now we need some. Rosie,
No, we need to mix it up.
Oh, yes.
Whoa.
Okay.
Look how it's looking so far.
Okay, now we're gonna add some baking soda. Be careful, ask a parent to do this.
And then we're going to add some activator, contact lens solution technically. And we're going to want to add it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's time to mix it up.
The baking soda is really good and helpful.
Yeah.
It's going really well, but this isn't the last thing to do. And make sure to comment below.
And if you need, and if you feel like it's too wet and sticky, add a little more baking soda. No, not that much.
Yeah, that's okay. Rosie. And we got a lot, and if it's a lot, mix it up.
Mix it, mix it, mix it.
If we fast forward it, that's okay. You guys can pause it. Ooh. Look at that stuff. Okay, next we're gonna add some more context lens.
Contact lens solution.
Sorry.
1, 2, 3. That's good.
Okay,
Next, we're going to mix it a little more.
and then we'll add some fluffy Elmer's glue again because we didn't get a lot. And sometimes if it stays on, you can grab it. Okay, see, it's kind of like really wet. So now we need some water.
No, that will make it more wet.
I mean, it's sticky. So now we need a cool fact, Rosie. Slime can also get in your hair, so be careful.
Yep. And if it gets in your hair, something bad will happen.
Okay, now we gotta add a little.
No, just a tiny. That's good.
Okay, then we need some of this again because it's sticking to the bowl.
When it no longer, we're going to keep adding and mixing until it's no longer sticky.
Sticking to the bowl is really bad.
Yeah.
Like sometimes it can stick to your bowl. And some people can try your hand in it. If it's good, you can be done. But if it's not, you can't.
Okay, I think that's good mixing.
Okay, let's
Now
see
it's
it.
time ready for us to use our hands.
Whoa.
This is so fluffy.
And so cool. And sticky.
Yeah. This slime is awesome.
Yeah!
Tell us what your favorite slime is so you can comment us and let us know.
And we'll make it next time.
Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching our show.